Hello smart crypto investors, I'm Bruno, your host on this journey through the decentralized world. Today we're diving into the intriguing universe of DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. These are not just fancy acronyms but represent a seismic shift in how we think about organizations and governance in the blockchain. Imagine a world where organizations are not managed by a single CEO or a board of directors, but by a collective of individuals, each having a voice and a vote. This is the world of DAOs. Here, decisions are not made behind closed doors, but through transparent voting systems, where every member has a say. A DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, is essentially an organization represented by rules encoded as a computer program. It's controlled by the organization's members and operates independently of any central government. It's an organization where blockchain, the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, meets governance. But what does that mean in practical terms? Well, think of a DAO as a company where instead of human management, the rules of operation are written in code. This code is transparent, meaning anyone can see it, and it's stored on the blockchain, making it virtually tamper-proof. The organization is run by its members, who propose and vote on decisions. Each member's influence is typically proportional to the amount of cryptocurrency they hold. Sounds futuristic, right? But this isn't a concept from a sci-fi novel. DAOs are already here, disrupting traditional hierarchical structures and introducing a new way of running organizations. They offer a unique blend of transparency, democracy, and efficiency, powered by blockchain technology. But just like any innovation, DAOs do have their challenges. They're a new frontier in the world of business and governance, and with that comes a learning curve. There are questions around legal recognition, security, and how to ensure fair and effective decision-making. But despite these challenges, the potential of DAOs is immense. They represent a shift towards a more democratic, inclusive way of running organizations, where every stakeholder has a say. They could very well be the future of business. Think of it as a company run by software, where every stakeholder has a say. DAOs emerge from the blockchain world, the same tech that brought us Bitcoin. This innovative concept was born from the desire to create democratic, self-governing entities that operate on the principles of consensus. It's a revolutionary idea, sparked by the potential of blockchain technology to decentralize power and control. The first DAOs were born in the mid-2010s, inspired by the decentralization that Bitcoin introduced. And just like Bitcoin, the birth of DAOs was all about challenging the status quo, breaking free from the constraints of centralized systems and bureaucracy. The underlying principle? Democracy. Every participant in a DAO has a say in the decision-making process. Decisions are not made by one person or a select few, but by the collective, ensuring that no single entity can dictate the organization's fate. This is the beauty of DAOs. They are a true embodiment of the democratic ethos in action. It's all about collective decision-making. Let's break down how DAOs function. Picture this, you're part of a vibrant community where everyone's voice matters. In this community, decisions aren't made by a single authority, but collectively by the group. This is the principle at the heart of a DAO. Here's how it works. A member of the DAO puts forward a proposal. This could be anything from a new project to an adjustment in the way the DAO operates. Once the proposal is up, it's time for the community to weigh in. Each member gets a vote. The voting system within a DAO is designed to be fair and transparent. Every vote is recorded on the blockchain, creating a verifiable record that's visible to all members. Votes are tallied, and if a proposal gets enough support, it's automatically implemented by the smart contract. It's democracy in action, powered by the precision and efficiency of blockchain technology. The benefits? Transparency, as every action is recorded on the blockchain. Everything that happens in a DAO is visible to all members. There are no backroom deals or hidden agendas. This level of transparency builds trust and fosters a healthy community within the organization. Then, we have efficiency. DAOs operate on smart contracts that automate processes. This means less paperwork, quicker decisions, and smooth operations. It's like having a well-oiled machine that works around the clock. No coffee breaks needed. Last but not least, inclusivity. In the traditional world, your voice in an organization often depends on your position or wealth. But in a DAO, anyone can join, regardless of who they are or where they're from. Every member gets a vote. It's a true democracy, In a world where power is often hoarded by a select few, DAOs offer a refreshing change. They empower the many, not the few. And inclusivity, as anyone can join a DAO regardless of location or background. DAOs are not just theoretical, they're active and impactful. These innovative structures are being utilized in diverse sectors, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a decentralized world. In the realm of finance, DAOs are facilitating decentralized lending and borrowing platforms. They're creating new possibilities for investment and wealth creation, allowing members to pool resources and make collective investment decisions. In the world of art, DAOs are revolutionizing the way we create and appreciate creativity, enabling artists to interact directly with their audience through decentralized art platforms. Think of it as a virtual art collective, where creators and consumers share in the decision-making process. In the field of governance, DAOs are being used to manage community resources and make decisions in a transparent, democratic manner. Communities are empowered to make decisions that directly affect their lives. DAOs are powering a new wave of collaborative efforts across the globe. However, DAOs face challenges too. Like any bold innovation, they have their share of hurdles. One of the key challenges is legality. Given their decentralized nature, DAOs often fall into a legal gray area. There's a lack of regulatory framework to recognize or oversee these entities, and this can lead to potential disputes and complications. Next up, we have security vulnerabilities. Since DAOs are based on smart contracts, they're susceptible to bugs and exploits. This can result in significant financial losses and can undermine trust in the system. Lastly, governance issues are a persistent challenge. With every stakeholder having a say, decision-making can become complex and slow. It can also lead to disagreements and conflicts which may stall the progress of the DAO. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that the potential for DAOs to revolutionize how we collaborate and organize is immense. As they evolve, solutions to these hurdles will emerge, propelling us into a new era of decentralized decision-making. What does the future hold for DAOs? As we peer into the crystal ball of possibilities, we can see DAOs transforming the landscape of organizational structures, governance, and even our fundamental understanding of what constitutes a company. Imagine a world where every stakeholder, regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic background, has an equal say in the decision-making process. A world where transparency is not just a buzzword, but a tangible reality, and where efficiency is driven by smart contracts automating operations. DAOs could potentially spearhead a new era of decentralized finance, where power is not concentrated in the hands of a few, but is distributed equally among all participants. They could redefine how we collaborate, innovate, and build towards a shared vision. As we advance, DAOs may become the backbone of a truly decentralized economy, fostering a new form of democracy where everyone has a voice. Let's embrace this exciting future and continue to define our future together. That's DAOs in a nutshell, folks. A brave new world of decentralized organizations, where technology and democracy intertwine to build a more inclusive, efficient, and transparent future. We've taken a deep dive into the fascinating universe of decentralized autonomous organizations, shedding light on the intricate workings of these innovative structures. Let's take a moment to revisit the essential points we've covered in our exploration. We began our journey by understanding the core concept of DAOs, which are essentially organizations represented by rules encoded as a computer program. These rules are transparent, controlled by the organization's members, and not influenced by a central government. This means that DAOs are, in essence, companies run by software, where every stakeholder, regardless of their location or background, has a voice. We then traced back to the birth of DAOs, emerging from the same revolutionary technology that brought us Bitcoin, the blockchain. DAOs operate on principles of democracy and consensus, ensuring that no single entity can dictate the organization's fate. This collective decision-making process is at the heart of what makes DAOs so radical and potentially transformative. Our exploration then led us to dissect how DAOs actually work. We learned that proposals are put forward by members, and depending on the DAO's rules, a vote is cast. Votes are tallied, and if a proposal garners enough support, it's automatically implemented by the smart contract. This process underscores the democratic nature of DAOs, where every member has a say in the organization's direction. We also delved into the significant benefits of DAOs. Transparency is a key advantage, with every action recorded on the blockchain for all to see. Efficiency is another, with operations automated by smart contracts, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing the potential for human error. And inclusivity stands as a cornerstone of DAOs, opening up opportunities for anybody, anywhere, to participate in and contribute to the organization. But DAOs aren't just a theoretical concept. They're active and impactful, managing collective investments, operating decentralized applications, and powering a new wave of collaborative efforts across the globe. This real-world application of DAOs is a testament to their potential and a glimpse into the transformative power they hold. However, we also acknowledge the challenges facing DAOs. Legal recognition, security vulnerabilities, and governance issues are significant hurdles that need to be overcome. But the potential for DAOs to revolutionize how we collaborate and organize is immense, and these challenges simply represent the growing pains of any disruptive technology. And finally, we speculated on the exciting future of DAOs. They could redefine organizational structures, governance, and even our concept of what a company is. As we advance, DAOs may become the backbone of a truly decentralized economy, enabling us to build a fairer, more inclusive, and efficient world. But the journey doesn't stop here. As we continue to define our future together, it's essential to keep the conversation going. So, if you're as excited about the potential of DAOs as we are, join the movement. Engage with this content. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Let's foster a community of smart investors who are ready to embrace the future of finance. And remember, the world of decentralized finance is vast and ever-evolving. There's always something new to learn, a new development to keep up with, or a new perspective to consider. So stay connected, stay informed, and let's continue to demystify the world of DeFi together. As we wrap up this deep dive into DAOs, let's not forget the essence of what we've learned today. DAOs represent a leap towards a future where technology and democracy converge, where every stakeholder has a say, and where transparency, efficiency, and inclusivity are not just ideals, but the very foundations of our organizations. Thank you for investing your time with us today. We hope this exploration has enlightened you, sparked your curiosity, and inspired you to delve deeper into the world of DAOs and decentralized finance. We look forward to continuing this journey with you as we uncover more exciting developments in the DeFi universe. Thank you for watching Smart Crypto Investors. I'm Bruno, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue to demystify the world of decentralized finance. Stay smart.